In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Microsoft To Do full 2026 guide. If you use Microsoft To Do to organize work, school, or personal projects, customizing the background for each list can make your workspace clearer and more enjoyable. A distinct background helps you instantly recognize where you are, reduces visual clutter, and sets the right vibe for focus. Start by opening Microsoft To Do. You can follow along in the web app or the desktop app. The steps are the same. Once the app is open, look at the left side of your screen and choose the specific list you want to customize. This matters because themes apply per list, not across your entire account. Picking the exact list now ensures you're changing only what you intend, whether that's a project board, a personal checklist, or a shared planning space. At the top of the list, find the three dots, often called More Options. This menu sits in the list header and contains settings related to the list you're viewing. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Change Theme. This is the dedicated place to control how your list looks without affecting the tasks themselves. You'll now see a selection of solid colors and full screen images. Solid colors are great for a clean, minimal look and for quickly color coding multiple lists. Full screen images add personality and can make long planning sessions feel more inviting. As you browse, think about readability. Choose a background that provides enough contrast so task titles, due dates, and flags remain easy to see. If you work in bright environments or for long stretches, a calmer, mid-tone color can reduce eye strain. If you manage many lists, consider assigning different colors or styles so you can tell them apart at a glance. The moment you click a color or an image, the background updates immediately. There's no save button, you get instant feedback. If the text feels hard to read or the image is too busy, simply pick another option right away. Your tasks, steps, and reminders won't change, only the visual theme does. This update carries across devices signed in with the same account, so you'll see your new look wherever you use To Do. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft To Do, select the list, click the three dots, choose Change Theme, and pick a color or image. Customize as often as you like until your workspace feels just right, and enjoy a clearer, more personal planning experience.